guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new grab handle on your Ranger 1500. For the first step, we'll go ahead and mount our billet insert to our sheet metal bracket. You'll use the 1/4-inch hardware that's provided in your hardware kit. Once we get that started, we can tighten it up using our 5/32 Allen wrench. For the first step, we'll go ahead and remove our OEM passenger grab handle. You'll use a 13mm socket to remove the 2 bolts, then we'll move on to the next step. To fasten our Thumper Fab grab handle, we'll use our M8 button head screws that are found in the hardware kit. You'll want to start one at a time. Here I'm going to start with the lower bolt. Once you have the button head started, you can move on to the second one. Once we have our 2 button head screws started, we can go ahead and tighten them up using a 5mm Allen. These are threading into the OEM threaded holes provided on the passenger side. On the driver's side, we'll drill and install riv nuts for a nice secure fit. Just a reminder, when you're tightening down the bracket assembly on the passenger side, as the threads that are formed in the roll cage are pretty shallow, you want to make sure not to over tighten it, as it's possible to strip them out. For installation on the driver's side, it's a little bit more involved, but it's still straightforward. For the first step, we'll go ahead and drill out our hex hole here, located on the roll cage, to a 17/32 hole so that it's ready for our round riv nut. We'll just step it up in increments in terms of drill bit size. Once we get it to our desired size, we'll install the riv nut and loosely fasten the grab handle before we move on to the next step. Just a reminder, when you're drilling into your roll cage, you want to make sure and not drill deeper than necessary, as depending on aftermarket accessories, you could have wiring running down your A-pillar. For our final drill bit, we'll use our 17/32. This will be just the right size for our round riv nut. Next, we'll use our riv nut installation tool that's provided in your hardware kit. You'll simply slide the riv nut into your hole, grab a 9/16 wrench and a 13mm socket, and snug the riv nut up in the frame. With our first riv nut installed, I'll take one of the M8 button head screws from our hardware kit, feed it through the bracket, and we're going to loosely fasten it to our riv nut so that we can mark our second hole. With our grab handle loosely in place, I'll go ahead and mark our second hole with a Sharpie. You go through the bracket, through the mounting hole, and we'll mark our roll cage so that I can center punch it and drill it out. With our hole marked, I can go ahead and remove the grab handle for now so that it's not in our way when we're attempting to drill our second hole. We can go ahead and set this aside, grab our center punch, and mark the center of our second hole. For the next step, we'll go ahead and drill our hole out. You'll want to start with a smaller drill bit and work your way up to our final drill bit, 17/32. We'll use our 17/32 to step our hole up one final time before we install a rib nut. We'll use our 13mm socket and our 9/16 wrench to hold the rib nut install tool while we tighten and snug the rib nut to the inside of the frame. With our rib nuts installed in the frame, the next step is to fasten your grab handle to the vehicle using the M8 button head hardware provided in the hardware kit. With both our bolts started, the last step is to tighten them up using our 5mm Allen. You want to make sure not to over tighten them, as it is possible to strip out the rib nuts. With your fasteners tight, you're ready to hit the trail and enjoy your new Thumper Fab billet grab handle in your Ranger 1500.